Hello viewers, today my name is Tr Nyongesa. I'm a computer science teacher, and today I wanted us to look at a computer, the inside parts of a computer. Most of us, we like using a computer, but we have never seen the inside parts. So today I'm going to show you the inside parts. Maybe you know, maybe if you have a computer at home, it can maybe help you on how you can go about. Maybe there's a mechanical problem inside, you can tackle it. So as you're going to open,
this is a computer, a computer or a CPU.
This is a CPU, and the lid that opens this is what you call a flat tower CPU. Always it's like this. You find most of them, they are always like this on the desktop. This is the drive. This way we have the USB and the ports. So you open by lifting this. There's this hinge here. Open it like that. Put it aside. And then we have here. This is the power supply. This is the power supply. It can come out like that. This is the power supply. That. Then here, this is the drive, the CD or DVD drive. You can also open like that. And then we have this that's having something like black here. It's coming out from this. You notice that in every machine we have what we call the cooling system. This is the cooling system.
This one?
Yes, this is the cooling system. It has a fan inside. It brings in the air into the cooler. This is the cooler, which transmits the cool air onto the microprocessor. The microprocessor is just down there. Those are the part or the area that normally becomes very hot when the computer has worked for a very long time. This is the hard disk. As you see, this is the hard disk. You can be able to remove it. It's moved like that. This is the hard disk. So the LED, it has the specification there. Onto the sides we have the inlet for the power. The power is here.
How do you differentiate between the red, black, and
these ones that you are seeing, the red, yellow, black? These are the cables that bring in power. That's bringing the power to the hard disk. And these others that you are seeing here, this one, if I may remove it, this is for data, transfer of data. This is what reads the data that's on the hard disk onto that's what we are able to see on the screen after the data has been read from the hard disk. So, and then down here you are able to see we have what we call the RAMs in full. That's read access memory. They can remove it. So this is the RAM. The size of the RAM is 2 GB. It's labeled there.
Where?
Here. It's labeled there.
I don't know if you can see. Wait a minute. It can't.
Yeah. So they are small. There's written small words there. So there are slots down here. There are other slots that you can add more RAMs to the computer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But you just don't add anyhowly. You have to also look at the specification of the computer. A specific computer holds a certain amount of RAM. You don't just put because maybe you're looking at your computer is not working, it's not at a high speed. Maybe you want to upgrade it to a higher speed. You don't just add. You look at the specification and also the hard disk that's there. But actually the RAM is what it determines the speed of a computer. Then this green part, you are seeing all this green part is what we call the motherboard. The motherboard. All these are just the transistors and the diodes that are attached to it to make sure that everything Motherboard is simply an area which forms, it's just a field where you just there are many things are attached there. It gives a ground where so many coordination is done at an area. Then we have the CMOS battery. This one is the one that checks the date and the time of a computer. Find that when you open up a computer, most of the computers they if they don't have this CMOS battery, they will be saying a wrong date or something like that. So
And
these CMOS batteries.
what of this?
This is just a small coolant. This also is it's just a small coolant. This is a junction. It's just a junction where many channels of bus are meeting, and maybe there is a switch where different this the deciding area that maybe this data is supposed to, because the control area, it's called the control unit, something like that. Okay. Yes. On to this is a drive. We have the data, we have the power. This one is a drive. We have the data, we have the power, and then the power, the drive. You see the power cable goes directly. Anything that requires data, the power, I told you these types of wires, okay, and you will find that there are all of them heading to the, this one is called the power supply. This one here, the one that I opened, the first thing I opened. So these wires, you see they are here also. These wires, they are here, they are attached to the motherboard. After the motherboard, the power is picked from the motherboard. As it's supplied to the hard disk and to the drive. So where you put your CD or DVD and it's able to read. Okay. This other end here, this way we have the ports. These are the USB ports where you can put your flash disk, the mouse, the keyboard, and the VGA are placed here. These are the serial port. This is for the music, the earphones, or the external sounds. You can plug them there, or if you want to use the inlet for the sound, you're using microphone, you can use that one. Then we also have the HDMI. The D type is there, you can see. Yes, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Maybe I'll come up with something else next time. God bless you.